Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert the pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel web, I'm just going to show. So first of all, if you are clicking on the insert option, there is no insert symbol option or insert special character option present here. So you just need to use your keyboard shortcut. So if you want to insert the pi symbol, you just need a shortcut or keyboard shortcut. So actually it's actually about, you just want to press alt key with 227. Okay, you just need to press the alt key with 227, which create a pi symbol. So you can see it's creating the pi symbol. So you just want to press alt key with 227 on your keyboard, so it automatically creates this pi symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.